Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Lincoln MKX. The Lincoln MKX offers performance and a distinctly powerful ride that's ahead of the curve. Boasting excellent launch and acceleration with a powerful engine that delivers plenty of horsepower, the Lincoln MKX is truly empowered for action. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system, trip computer, electronic stability control, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, fog lights, heated front seats, compass, CD player, power windows, rear window defroster, security system, overhead console, remote keyless entry. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.